Okay. So, okay. Let's see. Can you hear me? No, very well. No, more or less. Can you hear me? No. Yes, I can hear you. Okay. Um. Okay. So, well, the idea was very simple. Uh, let's start from bigger time frames. We focus on bigger time frame first. Did you see the video? No, this morning. Okay, I am going to repeat more or less the idea. So we were talking that after this push up, the euphoria here came. So we should expect after this one that at least we should see some retracement. So we started from only bullish scalps to sideways and then shorts. I was saying short the peak, short the peak. Why? Because we shouldn't fight the market. The probability is to make more money and don't suffer during the scalps. It will be easier if you are longing in bullish waves, and if you will be shorting in bearish waves, right? It's just pure nuts. Obviously, during this bearish, because in let's say the market is still bullish, I am not saying this is going to 50,000. No, no, no. It's clear that after this, I didn't share. Well, you will find it's already removed, but I had only one line above, but all the lines, all the levels I shared, it was below. Why? Thanks to this, okay? Because in bigger time frames, it was clear that we started to see exhausted bullish pressure. Okay, so it was clear, thanks to bigger time frames, that we should expect possible retest, as I was mentioned, that hey, probably in a very after this insane bullish push, buying pressure, obviously with these markets, this kind of retest can be at higher prices. So this is something I shared with you. But obviously after the retest, what is the retest? Is this another peak, 1, 2, 3 peaks. After this peak, we will see the real downside. During this downside, can we make money longs? Yes, we can. Because look, 200 points bounce. But obviously, it will be much easier to take 50 points in 500 versus take 50 points of 200. It's just an example. We are making more than 200 or 50 points in a week, obviously. But just sharing the why it's important before we start analyze the bigger time frames. Okay. And here what is important is that after this selling, incredible sell together, retail and big hands, we should expect a real downside in the next euphoria. So we need to have memory. Hey, what happened before the latest bounce, the latest mountain? I should be careful and don't be only buying. Oh, this is going to the moon because look, because in 30 minutes I was saying that hey, this morning I was saying, hey, we should see some bounce, but be careful. You can see in the YouTube, the previous video. And can we make money here? Yes, why not? Look, 75 points. It's a lot of money. But again, which one is easier? Which one is easier? Take 50 points of 75 or take 50 points of 200. Obviously, it's easier to find peaks and short the peaks. How? In the smaller time frames. Look, we can short in the smaller time frames. Find good opportunities, good shorts, scalps. Because thanks to the bigger time frames, it's clear that we were still in bearish. So don't complicate much. It's not, obviously, there are many other things to being profitable, psychology things, manage the risk, sizes, exercise, many things, but just explaining the basics of the strategy is good enough. Okay, so this is 7, this is 4, same. Look, we see still going down together, all of them. So red, yeah, go ahead. Okay, so red line is going down, and obviously the reason is because the rest of the colors are pushing down the red line. Red line is the average of brown. So 4 hours bearish, 7 hours bearish, 1 hour. Hey, 1 hour looks like we are going to see what I was painting in the previous video. I was saying that we should see another green later. I was saying we can find good bounces, but be careful, team, because in this kind of bounces we could be trapped and happen exactly as predicted. This is not any marketing or magic or nothing. It's just because I must listen the bigger time frames more than the smaller. After I know where we are in the biggest, then I need to adapt to short-term movements, fast movement, faster waves. Okay? Look, incredible spot, incredible. Just short here, boom, and still going down. Look, looks small, but here I was in Costco, I couldn't trade, but another 170 points. Very simple to achieve 50. You know, 50 points equal to 100%, just one scalp. Okay? And where I am not saying we must be perfect. I am talking about from 180 points, from 200 points, achieve 50 is nothing. It's very easy, very simple. But you need to learn the system and, well, many other things to make it happen, no? But at least I think we are in the right door, in the right place to learn something easy, and try to ask yourself anytime before you watch any video or try something, don't think makes any sense. The question is not, hey, makes sense? Yes, makes all the sense, but makes all the sense is the perfect sentence that will not help you to be profitable. We don't need to find makes all the sense. We need to say, can I predict? First, it's clear that I shouldn't fight the bigger waves. It's clear. This is pure mathematics. Okay, got it. This is okay. First, done. What kind of system can I use to predict the bigger time frames. Hey, just with Hekinashi, look, without my formulas or the indicator or whatever, just with Hekinashi, only Hekinashi, uh, you will be able to in 7 hours. Look how many times the color changed here. Very few, right? So look, a lot of 7, 7, 7, a lot of hours bearish. Then okay, retracement and another bearish continuation. This is W's. They call it double bottom, double top. Well, I call it Wendy's. This W's Wendy's. It will happen many times. Same as McDonald's. Okay, double top, double bottom. And same here. And there is a financial reason that why is happening this. One day I will explain. This is not because they are drawing anything. No. This is for some financial and trading system of the high frequency and big hands strategies. But ask yourself, hey, how can I trade with 30 lines each day? Or how can I predict, make a priority list, which one is the most important? Don't take these simple words of risk management. Okay, risk management, what is risk management? Go in deep. What do I need? What do I need? I need predict. I need learn how to manage. I need how to don't. What can I do to avoid stupid things? I have prepared a list with more than 100 reasons. Fail reason. Enrique can remember. Reason that will let you fail and lose everything in trading, in day trading. It's very simple to make money in long trades, just with crypto. Hey, you don't care. Let's say we bought Bitcoin at 30K. Bitcoin went down to 18. You say, okay, more down, let me buy double and double. You have a clear idea. It's simple. You will make money. But for day trading, there are more than 100 reasons. Doesn't matter if you have good discipline or not, or many things. Doesn't matter. We are human. Everything is prepared to let us lose everything. There is a rule of the 90 90 90. This rule is more than 90% of the people, they will lose more than their 90% of the money until 90 days. This is a famous rule. This is not something mine. Okay, most of the people are tourists of the market, not professionals. Being a professional is not because you are profitable. No, you can be a professional and still learning and not profitable. The difference is not if you have a good system or bad system. Is the most difficult thing is, are you asking to yourself the right questions? And this is, I think, this is one of the biggest issues of the traders. They are, oh, makes sense, looks good, sounds good. This kind of things will not help. We are not looking something looks good, sounds good. No, we need to predict in what ways we are. First, we need sizing, we need psychology, we need, so make your list, and well, it's also difficult, obviously, very difficult. So I will continue trying to and in terms of the FOMO, let me touch a little bit the FOMO. This Now the market started. It was so clear for me that the market, pushed down, and hey, I can now say, oh, I am sharing here, and I miss it. Oh, I missed it. These 50 points, 100. How many opportunities we have? Is completely incredible. So invest, instead of trying with funded accounts and these kind of things. Invest money, invest time in yourself, buying and putting money in prop accounts, fake accounts, not real market, not nothing real, makes any sense. One day I will explain in deep. And here there is Enrique and Chuck. I was buying 20 accounts, the most expensive, many times. 20. Let me buy another 20. Buy another 20. Makes any sense? Any sense? In my mentoring, I have a better plan than keep buying prop accounts, okay, funded accounts, and these kind of things. And ask to yourself everything. Why do I need this watermark? Yes, I need. Do I need this line? It's helping this line. It's helping this line. Not. It's helping this. It's helping. Everything is for some reason in my trading. Every small thing, the color of the crosshair, everything. Why today I am here? Why other days I have 3 windows? Why I have multiple tabs? Why other days I have the calendar? Everything is for some reason. Hey, I can be wrong many times. When I lose, it's because I am not following not the plan. It's a system, a complete system. You cannot plan everything. You can have a basics. You can have a big plans. You know that we are in a bearish, so I need to be very patient for longs, just in case. I need to today. Look, it was very bullish here. No, I was saying, hey, in the video you will see, hey, small bounce coming, but be careful. So instead of all the people here, in general, the people like to make longs. Hey, it's profitable to make longs here? Yes. Look, 50 points. But which one is better? Just wait for the peak, short the peak, boom. Zero stress, any pullbacks, nothing. Hey, follow the color. Okay, Game Boy, just Game Boy. So you see, this system is completely insane. And every day I'm trying to learn, I'm trying to find something better, making some adaptation. Um, I am able to predict the price movement before the earnings, many things, but I cannot do everything. But you see, I was saying, hey, crude oil should go more down, and went down in 4 hours, if you remember. So hey, it's very simple to make insane, just swing trade. Why I have this and this in one view? I have the top, the biggest market caps. Everything is for, there are many, but the basic is this one. There is a formula behind. I combine different time frames. And after, I think I have, well, I think no, it's obvious that I have more experience than the original owner of the formula, 100%, because this one was designed for swing trading, for long investment, not for scalping. Okay, so I made a lot of adaptations in order to increase the probability a lot, a lot. So now it's like a Game Boy. Uh, every time I lose, I we couldn't find just one simple day that this system didn't work. We couldn't find just one scalp. When I lose, it's because I am following wrongly. I am not following, not wrongly. I am not following. So I have a system that after one big, we have daily maximum daily loss. We have maximum size per trade, maximum. We can place maximum trades per day. Um, many things. We protect the instrument. Hey, just in case I restart and I will be buying a Bitcoin option, so I can lose a lot of money just with these stupid mistakes. Um, uh, Daily drawdown, account drawdown, so many things. And the other extremely important I do, as you know, in the mentoring, is count how many minutes I need to stop to change my mind. Because when you want to buy because, oh, this is extremely bullish, we are here, let me buy. But now it's cheaper, let me buy again. Triple the size, all or none. And here you will be, you know, 5% green, because here you were buying 10 times more. But just in few seconds later, bang, down, and you will say, oh, I lost my account. So I do many things in the mentoring to protect and avoid these kind of things. Are more specific for by one. Okay, you can have the best system, but it's not good enough. I believe that there are people making money just with two rocks. Why not? Hey, uh, you can make money. Look, you can make money. Um, let's say with EMAs. Okay, where are the EMAs? Here. Let's remove the drawing. Okay. Why not? But so a lot of people, they put attention. Okay, I need to improve my entries. This is wrong. It's not good enough. Improve the exit is more important than the entries. And a lot of people, they ask what do you need to decide before enter or to exit. But no one asked it to me, what do you need to don't enter? What is more important? You have 23 hours in a day. 23 hours. Nasdaq futures. Hey, all the Discord, all the mentoring, all the super traders, they explain, oh, I am the best because I have the best entries. Okay. Why you don't put attention on us and invest money, invest in mentoring, in good things to learn, hey, what do you do to find popcorn moments? Popcorn moment means don't do anything. Just hold the trade or don't add more or don't enter or don't exit. What do you need? So obviously, is if most of the people are losing, if you go to somewhere just because they have hundreds of thousands of followers, I don't want to give names, but think about it. If most of the people are losing, do you want to replicate? or you need to change 100%. You need to change your mind and think, hey, I need to change everything, everything. Change my mind. Instead of be focusing on this, maybe I am doing to myself the wrong questions. Okay? The rest is just dense. Then the market, I have a clear idea. So what we are saying, hey, we are still here. Okay, let me try to find in a small time frame bounces. Bounces, and in this double peak I will short. Hey, if I want to read, I there are other techniques about speed of the candles. There are many things, uh, tips that I use in order to scalp. But let's say the basic, I think I explained it here in this session. Okay, so I don't have big plans for now. You know that I made my month in nothing, no, in 10 days, 10 sessions, almost, well, a lot. Yesterday was same, but finally I found. So this is another thing. Um, don't pressure yourself. You have a very big plans always. Hey, I don't have plan to make money today, but obviously someone puts in front of my eyes extremely good opportunity. I cannot not take it. It's like also by phone I will take it, because it's like free money is impossible. And why? Because I didn't have plan to trade today, but I made my homework. I have a clear idea what I should expect. So whenever I will see euphoria in small time frames, this is for me. Look, what is happening? Still going. When the people buy dips, they short, they sell rips, and nothing is cheap because went down. Nothing is expensive because went up. This is not trading. This is not how it's going to work. When you have something I am improving a lot, I was it was my top priority for manual trading, is how can I have flexible mind. So I am learning, I am some exercises to have a flexible mind. Hey, I have a clear view of bearish day, but in bigger time frames, sometimes this wave, these bounces will take 200 points. So I cannot continue short here, but because during these 8 hours, the market was bouncing 200 points. 200 points is 400%. Hey, I was right, but no one will give me any cookie or anything just because I was right. I will lose short in here. It's clear. I know 100, let's say 99, 5 nights that this is going to my line. I know. But um, and it's still bearish. I was saying still bearish. But during this movement, hey, I cannot just hold it scalps, because we are scalpers. Sometimes in one candle during 4 hours, we can make our day finish. So in this 4 hours, the market bounced 200 points, and I will say no, I was right, but I followed my plan, but I lost. No. So flexible mind. Um, Everything is important, um, and always ready for something extremely big can happen. Okay, this is the plan. Everything looks good, and I shared this morning a chart with a very funny photo. I hope you were able to understand the reason. If not, I am going to explain why. I don't want to have problems with any politic thing or anything. So I'm going to try to explain avoiding problems. But the market went down a lot, right? More than 500%, more than 500 points, okay? Retracement. That means more than 1000% intraday margin. 1000%. So 100K just with one trade with this system I shared with you. You can add 10 here, 1 million, from 100 to 1 million. Just one thing I am sharing free in YouTube and here, okay? So, but what happened? We don't like to hold and make overnights because we like to scalp fast movements. Okay, but after this down, they released extremely bearish news. So it's not fight the news, but it's clear that I feel more comfortable shorting before the bad news than after the bad news because I know what they are doing very well, very, very well. I cannot share it now because we are in live in YouTube, but I will explain. But more or less, I know I shared the photo exactly taking this gap. Okay, if you remember, yeah, you can see. Okay, I shared it this morning before the market opened. That exactly here I put a photo of someone. I don't want to share now in YouTube, but for very specific reason. What that means, after the market went down more than 1000%, very bad news released. Okay, just think about it. What is happening? I don't want to go more in deep. Nothing else from my side. I'm going the levels keep there, nothing to change. Many times less is more. Okay, I don't need to share 100 levels or 30 levels per day. Makes any sense. Remember, the big waves. There is a study we do every week, and I did with artificial intelligence also to accelerate the data and the results. In intraday, the market shouldn't make a reversal more than 4 times. Most of the days of the year, the number of reversals are between 0 and 3. If we want to go more in deep, we should say between 1 and 2, 1 and 3. 4, very few times. Many times, any reverse. Let me explain you this. Okay, this is extremely important. Thanks to God, I come back later with Control Z, no? We are going to here to settings, events, session breaks. Let me remove this one. Settings. What is happening here? Let's generate new layout. This is, as always, very, very important. I don't know. Let me close. Why is not working? Ah, because yeah, we were in 1 minute. Sorry. Okay, this is really, really good. Very powerful. Use Hekinashi, please. Okay, make it simple. This is entire day, 23 hours. Okay, you will not see 1 hour because we don't have price action. So from here to there, 21 day, 24 hours. The market is closed 1 hour most of the days of the year, right? Obviously Friday night until Saturday, Sunday, in your case, morning. For me, Sunday afternoon, the market will open again. But so try to count how many times per day you can find a reversal. This is entire day. 0. Here, 0. Here, 1. From here, only one reversal. Went down. This is pullbacks. We cannot count. This is pullbacks. Here, it was up when one reversal. It was up, one reversal. One reversal in a day. And go. And do the study for yourself. Okay? So, why? I am training my mind. Obviously, I am repeating this exercise every week. I am not stupid. We are not stupid. We shouldn't need it, but I do. My team always, we do the same exercise, and there is a clear reason. Because just let me know how many times after you exit a long, you started a short. After you exited short, you started long. Why? How you think that you are able to find the perfect spot of the day, and the market, just because you entered, is going to bounce or going to reverse? It's close to impossible. It's pure mathematics. Doesn't matter the system. Okay, it's impossible. Don't find long. Oh, this is now going to the moon. No, sorry, this is not how it will goes. And then one stupid man, they will say, no, look, I will be following just a trend line. And swinging shorts, puts. Okay, so there are many things to consider and to remember, that this kind of marketings, and there are many contents and super strategies, super traders, and trading is something very different. And there is a specific reason of these lines, a financial reason of these lines. I explain in the mentoring also. It's not because they are drawing their line. They can put here my name, right? They can say, okay, let me put Nur here. Well, the R is more difficult, but in a small caps, yes. In big time frame, in big caps or index is more difficult. So I think nothing else. I try to share basic content, try to change your mind in some specific things. That's all from my side. I am green 800 or something like this. Let me see. I just placed one trade from Costco by phone. Let me see. What is the account? Um, this is my day. Okay, 700. Well, it's good because I spent less in Costco, so all good. Very happy. But I don't have plans most of the days, and most of the times when I don't have plans, I don't pressure myself to make a big days. Are the best days. Well, there are many psychology exercises to do in and practice, and we play Legos. Yes, Legos. We play Legos. Doesn't matter your age. I have someone in the team with 69 years, and he plays Legos with us. And why? Because we need to practice the patience and, well, many things. Okay, happy to share. Thanks for your patience and your interest. And I wish you a great day and wonderful weekend. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you, you too. Bye.